How to use own sound on TikTok. Using your own sound on TikTok helps personalize your content, showcase your creativity, and establish a unique identity on the platform. Now, say for example, you want to try it on TikTok, there's actually not going to be any option here for you to do that one. So what you are going to do really is use any application, a video editing application on your phone. So in my case, my favorite one is UCut, so I'm just going to tap on it. I'm going to click this plus sign here and click new project, and I'm going to search for that particular video. Say for example this one here. And yes, I've already uploaded this one to TikTok before. As you can see, there is a watermark at the top. And then say for example I want to change the audio for this one. So the only thing that I'm going to do really is just click here, unmute clip audio, and then I'm going to click music there. And after clicking music, you should be able to see all the other music available on your phone. Say for example, I'm just going to choose something. Alright, so say for example this one here, and you just have to click use. Okay, there you go. So now we have a music, and then we're just going to scroll out here until the video ends. You're going to click the split icon. There you go, and we're going to tap this here, and we're going to delete this one. Alright, there you go. So if we are going to play this, and if you're going to play this one, you should be able to see the video as well as the new music that you have added. And now the only thing that's left is save this one, and then you're going to want to go ahead to TikTok and basically upload it. And yes, congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to use your own sound on TikTok. As usual, remember to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up.